Welcome to Curveseries Academy. I am Amy and I will be your teacher today. Here, you will find a series of training videos that will strengthen your abilities to navigate the Curveseries desktop software and its features. In this video, you will be introduced to the live OTC chart and list supplementary feature in our desktop app as well as in Excel. Curveseries is created by traders for traders, and we understand the significance of being able to integrate live swap quotes for analysis. Once you have ensured that you have logged into your Curveseries desktop app, do a right-click on the Dashboard tab and select New Live OTC Chart. Then, do another right-click on the right side and select Spread Query. Here, you can select the different types of spreads that you wish to do and the product and time period you want. As you can see, the equation is formulated instantly. Once you are done, click on Save, and you will get the live OTC chart for the product and time period you have selected very swiftly. Moving on, it is also very easy to create your own live OTC list. Similarly, do a right-click on the Dashboard tab and select New Live OTC List. Select Spread Query and fill up the form again with the type of spread, product, and time period you want. Since we are creating a list, you can add as many spread queries as you want. Once you are done, click on Save and you will get the live OTC list with the products you want in no time. You can also retrieve our live OTC list template. Simply click on the plus sign on the top right corner, select Open Dashboard and look for the live list dashboard, and you will get the OTC live for different categories. There will be red and green flashes when there is a new bid and ask price respectively. This market indication is the best efforts from brokers' quotes. Did you know that we can also create live OTC list in Excel? Now, before we start, do ensure that your Curveseries desktop app is running in the background. This is because we are using real-time data feeds, after which you can click on the Live OTC List button. Then, do a right-click and select Spread Query. You can choose the type of spread you want, then fill in the form accordingly. Similarly, because this is a list of data in Excel, you can repeat the process and add more products to the list. Once you are done, click on Save and your live OTC list is created. On behalf of all the staff at Curveseries, I would like to thank you for trusting us with your analytics needs. We will do our utmost to help you in any scenario or complex analytics you are about to explore. Did you know that you can also do butterfly query on the Curveseries app? If not, check out more of our tutorials here at the Curveseries Academy. We wish you all the best of luck in your future trading using Curveseries.